Google just dropped the new Gemini Omni Flash model on Google Flow, and it is an absolute beast. It is literally nano banana for video. Make sure to watch this full video to the end because I'm going to show you how we can literally add objects into existing videos and edit everything live just by chatting. Before we jump into, here are 5 quick reasons why Omni is completely crushing models like Google Via right now. 1. Multimodal power. Drop in a photo, add a voice note, and Omni instantly mashes them into a perfect video. No text required. 2. Chat to edit. Just tell it what to change like a friend in a group chat, like make it rainy or add an object, and it updates live without starting over. 3. Flawless consistency. Your characters won't glitch or shapeshift. A guy in a green hoodie stays the exact same guy from start to finish. 4. Real-world physics. It understands gravity. If a glass drops, the water splashes and shards bounce exactly like real life. All right, enough hype. Let's pull up the site and see it in action. First, let's head over to Google Flow. Right here, you can see the brand new update showing the Gemini Omni Flash model. Simply select the editing section. Let me give you a quick look at the settings panel over here. You've got options for all media, images, character, and tools. Under the Tools tab, you can actually build your own custom tools just by typing a description. But that's a massive feature on its own, so I'll make a completely separate video covering that later on. Today, we're focusing on something else. Let's click on the character option. Right away, you'll see a bunch of ready-to-use templates that Flow provides. If you click on any of these, it automatically generates a prompt to build that specific character. Of course, you can also upload your own image to create a custom character from scratch and save it. For this demo, I'm going to choose one of the available built-in options. Let's select eccentric. As you can see, the prompt comes automatically, and AI starts creating the character. Once it's ready, we have the option to save it. Plus, a really cool feature here is that you can add a custom voiceover right before you save, which is incredibly useful for giving your characters a distinct personality.
Next up, I'm just going to drag our newly created character right into the editing timeline. Make sure you select the Gemini Omni Flash model from the menu. To save on rendering credits, I'm going to set the duration to 6 seconds. Now, let's type out a simple text prompt to get things started. Riding a bicycle. Let's give it a few seconds to generate, and boom!
The view is quite nice here. This sand is hard to pedal on.
Look at that result. It looks absolutely perfect. And if you listen closely, the custom voice we selected and saved earlier automatically comes through as the character's dialogue. That is the massive advantage of saving your custom voice directly to the character profile.
Now, it's time for the real magic. Like I told you at the beginning of the video,
Omni Flash is literally nano banana for video. If you aren't familiar with nano banana, it means we can edit and add things directly on top of our existing results without starting over.
Let's put that to the test right now.
I'm going to go to the editing section of this exact same video and add this text prompt. A crocodile suddenly runs towards the cyclist on the beach. Let's see what happens. Give it a few seconds to process.
The view is quite nice here. What is that? It's hard to pedal on.
Wow, look at that. It seamlessly added the crocodile right into the existing video clip, keeping the original character and background completely intact. This is exactly what I meant when I said Omni is nano banana for video.
The possibilities are endless here, and you can get incredibly creative with your own versions, Henner. Next, let me show you how the new Google Flow agent works in this section.
First, I'm going to select Agent from the menu. Let's type in a quick prompt asking it to give us some tips and tricks about optimizing Omni. Notice how a thinking section immediately opens up on the right side of the screen. While we wait for the result, let's talk about what's actually happening here. This is an AI agent, which means it acts like a digital assistant. Instead of guessing, it breaks goals down into smaller tasks and reasons through them. Look at the thinking panel. You can see it planning and brainstorming step by step. That's the magic of an agent. It actually thinks before it acts. Now, let's push it further. I'm going to drag my character avatar straight into that right side thinking panel. Let's type, add some cinematic lighting and put some studio items in the background. Because the agent is in control, it's going to analyze the request and wait for my approval before it spends any rendering credits. I'll click approve and let's see what it comes up with.
Wow, that result looks great. Let's adjust it one more time to see how the agent handles choices. I'll type, give me a few different variations of a cinematic studio. Look at the thinking section now. The agent brainstormed a few ideas and generated 3 different image layout options for me to preview. I'll click approve again and wait just a few seconds for the final video render. And there it is. That is how AI agents work, and how you can use this new thinking section to collaborate with Flow for total control over your video edits. It is absolutely mind-blowing. Next, let's create a new video using Omni Flash. For this one, I'm actually going to start with my own custom character avatar. First, I'll navigate to the image generation section and select the Nano Banana setup. I'm choosing my avatar and pasting in this highly detailed prompt. A cinematic high-speed tracking shot of a skydiver in freefall during the golden hour. The camera glides smoothly alongside them, capturing the intense wind ripping through their jumpsuit. Let's generate that. Wow, look at the result. You can see the incredible amount of detail it captured just from the text. Now, I'm going to take this generated image and pass it into the Omni Flash video section. Why am I doing it this way instead of just going directly to the video generator? Well, here is a pro tip for you. If you create a high-quality sample image first and then convert that image into a video, you will almost always get a much cleaner, more detailed result than going straight from text to video. Let's see the final video result.
Just look at that detailing. Omni Flash is absolutely amazing at bringing static images to life. And that is how you completely master Google Flow and Gemini Omni Flash. To recap, it's just 3 simple steps. Build or choose your character avatar, generate a stunning reference image first for the best quality, and bring it to life with Omni Flash and use the agent to edit live.
Trust me, you'll want to master these steps now because there are even more amazing features coming to this platform later that you won't want to miss. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts on this new model, and don't forget to subscribe so you catch those next updates. See you in the next one.